So in this video, I was at a stream until we had to leave, and the YouTuber was Fog, and now I was the only person there, and they thought I was a YouTuber, I guess. And then we decided to play Color Rush, but people started griefing, and then we went to Forest just to play the normal tag. So I'm gonna record that part. I'm gonna cut it off so I can show show you that part. Alright, because it was really funny because I cooked them so hard, like almost the live was chasing me. I miss K9. Anyways, into the video.
Yep,
alright, come on, let's all go. Everyone, let's all go to Forest. Let's all go to Forest and just play normal tag.
Tag is boring.
No, I want a 1v1 purple. Oh, heck no.
YouTuber. Tag me next turn. How about that? Okay. How about that? Ugly unicorn. How about that?
Nah, see you later.
Everybody in the world.
Bro, I just recorded that thing. What the freak?
Yo, can I tag you? Because this unicorn's being cocky. Oh no. Blue, I won't tag you. I just need to tell you something.
What? You have a crush on me? Whoa!
She's like 3. She's expired.
Yeah, she expired.
Where's the 3-year-old? Where's the 3-year-old? I want it.
So, is that? Do I have Riz?
I call her. She's expired, bro.
Yeah, she is expired.
3 years expired.
No, see you later.
I'm an 8-year-old. Oh, come cap. You know.
Dude, I'm just cooking.
You played this game when you were 2? Is that what you're saying? No. I was born in 2017. Yeah, so you were playing.
Everyone is saying that I'm like literally the greatest player of all time. Crowd goes wild. I'm dead.
The crowd goes wild cheering tag lag. I hate tag lag. I'm not even gonna lie.
I'm just
There's
drinking
no
the
tag lag.
whole server. Dude,
Hi.
you missed.
Oh, I can't hit you.
Did I just drinking the whole lobby?
Everybody, ground camp your heart out.
No one wants to see.
Camp your heart out. You're such a good boy.
Yeah.
I love you. I could almost just like diddle
Chad, is that Riz?
Huh?
Is that Riz in there?
Unicorn, come after me.
Dude, that's my thing. Green. Green, don't just bounce off stuff.
Now
Yo, you better watch out. He's like right behind you.
9 times. Yeah, that was not mine.
Enemy fire 6 o'clock, 2 of them. Go! I'm going on walls.
Bruh.
No, I'm not dead. I'm glad I memorized the map. Fuck. Oh my gosh! I'm dead. Thank you. Guys, let's set up party hat.
Like that? GG's. Wait, where's the last kid? Oh wait, we haven't tagged.
Black.
Dog, are you still here? Yep. Bye, don't walk.
10, 9,